Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial platform where we teach you how to make money online. In this video, I want to show you how you can earn between $25 to $100 a day working from home at your own pace and at your own time. All the skills you need is typing speed. You need typing skills, accuracy and speed, and then English language proficiency because it's a transcription job. So I want to introduce you to two websites that you can easily take freelancing jobs, and you can make between $25 to $100 a day depending on your skills and then your speed. So welcome. Remember to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and then like our videos. And then I want you to leave in the comment section if you want to improve your typing skills for free. You want to take typing training for free, so that I'll do a next video and show you a website where you can take easy tests without cost, and then you can improve your typing skills and your typing speed. So you can leave a comment for me. I want to improve my typing skills and proficiency. All right, so let's go inside and then I'll show you the first website. The first website is called REV, R-E-V. Go to rev.com, rev.com, and then it will bring you to this place, convert audios and then videos to text. So that is the work you will be doing from the comfort of your home. They will send you videos. Once you register and you qualify, they will send you video clips and then audio clips, longest maybe 4 minutes long, and then you can transcribe them. Okay, so you have transcription, you have captions, and then you have foreign subtitles. So the transcription is you convert the video or the audio into text files, and then depending on the accuracy and proficiency, you are paid for that. And you can see this is what they charge, 1.25 per a video or audio. That's what they charge their client, and then they will then give it to their freelancers, professionals like you, and then they will take a little cut and then they will pay you the rest. And then here you can also do captions. You know, when you are watching videos, you can see the captions that scroll under there in text form. Once you can do the captions, you can earn this amount that they charge. And then foreign subtitles. So there are times you are watching a video in a foreign language, and then you see the translation run as text below the video. If you can do those ones also, you can earn between $3 to $7 per minute. This one is per minute charge. All right, so if you are doing a 4-minute clip, you can multiply this amount by 4, and that gives you an idea of what you could be earning. So let's say you want to do transcription job, and then it attracts 1.25 per minute, and then you get a video or a text or an audio, and then it is about 4 minutes. So you multiply this by 4, and that is giving you about $5 per video or per audio. And so let's say you can do 5 of that a day, you could be earning $25 a day. And the more you can do, then the higher you can earn a day. So if 4 can give you $5, and then you can do about 10 of them, you will earn $50. If you can do 20 of them, then you will be netting $100 a day. All right, so that's it. So you can go in, let's say you scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and then you go to freelancers. So you click on freelancers, and then it will take you to where you can see what you can possibly earn from what they charge their clients. Okay, so look at it. Create a flexible work schedule. Our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much as or as little as you want, whenever you want. So you work at your pace, and then you determine how much you want to earn and what time you want to put in it. Choose from hundreds of jobs and get paid weekly. All right, so that is it for Rev. And so you can see it there, the transcriptionist, you will earn this. They charge between 0.25 to 1.25 for their clients. And so they will pay out between 0.30 to 1.10. That means they take the 15 cents and then they pay between days to days maximum to their freelancers. So they say the captioner, you earn between 0.54 to 1.10. So 1.10, that's $1.10 for 1 minute. So this is per minute earning. So you multiply it by the number of minutes the video or the audio lasts. and then that will tell you how much you will be earning. All right, so you qualify, you know how much you want to earn, and then you can easily also make. But if you can do translation to foreign language, then you can earn higher amount, because that one is more difficult, so you can earn more for that one. All right, so that is it for rev.com. The second website I want to introduce you to is called Transcribeme. So you go to transcribeme.com, transcribeme.com, and they are a similar website, and then you can do transcription, and then you can earn from there. And so these are their website. So you can go to jobs, and then you go to the jobs portal, and then you see what is involved and then how much you can earn. So monetize your downtime. When you become Transcribeme Crowd Professional, you will have access to the following. Number one, the highest pay. So we have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting from $15 to $22 per video or audio hour. So every hour, video or audio hour, you will earn between $15 to $22. So if you are going to do 1 hour, you will be earning between $15 to $22. Let's say average $20. And so if you can do 5 hours a day, then you can earn $100 easily. So if you can do 1 hour, that's to you. If you can do 2 hours, that is to you. And then you could be earning between 2,200 average monthly earning. Okay, so that is it. So you grow and learn, and then your expert training is available, flexibility is available. You work at your own pace. The time you want to work, you work and do that. So that's Transcribeme for you. And then so you can register, you can just click on get started, and then you can do it from anywhere in the world. You'll be paid in PayPal and then other payment platforms. So you create your account here. So create a new account, and then you just do some test jobs, and then once you pass, you begin to get jobs, and then you begin to do. So this is a form for filling and completion, and then you submit. Okay, so no need to look for work, it comes to you. Transcribe whenever and wherever. Work as much or as little as you like. Transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. So that is the requirement, or that's the composition of the work you will be doing. All right, so that is it for opportunities to earn between $25 to $100 a day. You can earn way more than that if you want to be committed to it, and then you want to do it full time. You want to commit your time to it. All you need is typing skill, accuracy, and proficiency, and you need some good language fluency in order to qualify. And once you have that, you are good to go. Why not give it a try and see? You don't pay a dime up front. You just register for free, and then you get your job and you do it, and then you earn your money. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give us thumbs up, and then if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, as we bring you occasional videos on earning opportunities online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.